Workers are installing a metal roof, applying sealant to the joints with a caulk gun to ensure water tightness and sealing. After a plastic pipe breaks, the damaged section can be cut out and a repair sleeve installed for repair. A logging truck is felling trees. This equipment efficiently cuts, trims, and trims trees, increasing work efficiency. A snowplow is clearing snow from a road. How to make a homemade light killer. Apply a drill bit alternately to both sides of the tool. Then apply a layer of sandpaper to the outside of the affected area. This completes the process of making your own light killer. Workers are constructing the frame structure of a small greenhouse, installing several arch supports at various locations to ensure the stability of the entire structure. A self-propelled harvester is working in a field. The harvester's front attachment efficiently cuts crops. An excavator is clearing obstructions from drainage ditches, allowing accumulated water to drain freely and improving soil conditions in the farmland. Workers are using levers to lift the edge of the roof to secure the solar panels. A carpenter uses a saw to cut the inside of a log. Workers are welding an excavator bucket. Additional metal plates are welded to the surface to increase the strength and durability of the structure. Large strings of fireworks are tied together to create a more spectacular display. Workers operate feed pushers to move scattered feed within easy reach of livestock, ensuring efficient use and minimizing waste. Horses haul supplies to trucks, making horse transport easier and increasing efficiency. Farmers harvest rice using electric sickles. This method is suitable for small-scale rice paddy farming. Young workers are building a wall. A fine line is typically used to ensure the bricks are aligned horizontally and vertically. This equipment, called an earth-moving leveler, cuts the soil from the ground surface with its bucket to level the land. Tea farmers use a motorized inspection machine to quickly prune the tender buds and leaves at the top of tea trees, which can be used to make various types of tea. Water jet cutting machines use high-pressure water jets to carve a gear into steel. This technology does not produce thermal deformation and is therefore widely used in machining. Workers are using a grinding wheel to perform grinding operations to obtain a smoother metal surface. Construction workers are building a wooden pavilion. increasing the stability and strength of the connection by fitting the timber together. Workers place a steel cage into a mold filled with concrete to enhance its strength. Workers are making rubber corrugated pipes. The material is placed into a mold and heated to shape it, creating corrugated pipes with specific shapes and functions. Construction workers use a sharpening tool to evenly spread cement. Potters use fine lines to cut flawed pottery jars to free up clay for reuse, avoiding material waste. Workers mark a line on stone to precisely remove stones above the marked line. Concrete is delivered to the formwork via a conveyor pipe, improving the efficiency of concrete pouring. Workers use a potato slicer to cut potatoes into strips, increasing production efficiency. Workers are making a buffer head for a hammer. Hot glue is injected into the area surrounded by sandpaper. After it hardens, a buffer head is formed, which can be used for special installation tasks to reduce damage to unfinished materials. Workers apply sealant to the edges of multi-layered glass to protect the edges and prevent moisture, dust, etc. from entering between the glass layers, thereby improving the durability and lifespan of the glass. Workers slam tuna onto a truck loaded with tuna to disrupt the original arrangement of the cargo, allowing for quick and efficient unloading. Farmers operate mulch machines to lay plastic film on farmland to maintain soil moisture. Excess cement is scraped off walls to ensure a smooth surface. Workers install a guy wire on a wall. One end is fixed to a corner and pulled to the other to ensure the brickwork is level and aligned. Workers use tensioners to install fencing. Tightening the fencing mesh ensures its stability. Farmers use small tillers to cultivate the fields, improving soil structure for crop growth. Construction workers sand and finish the surface of wooden windowsills, creating a smoother, cleaner finish. Workers repair cracks in wall corners using scrapers to remove broken stones, pouring grout around the cracks, and then using a roller to evenly spread it around the cracks. Construction workers install traditional tiled roofs with good stability and drainage. Workers are spray painting the road on the deer plain to increase road safety. Hay bales are being pierced and secured to the loader using a long spike, and then transported to the desired location. A combine harvester is harvesting corn. The green substance sprayed into the air is corn powder. Workers place a metal scorpion in the center of a wooden block and use a sledgehammer to forcefully strike it, driving it deep into the block and guiding the direction of the impact. Coconut vendors are skillfully peeling open coconuts, using large knives to remove the outer hard husk, exposing the softer white part inside for easy extraction of coconut.